In front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening an app called Files and clicking on those three lines at the top left corner. Then select Clean. Hit Clean under Junk Files and finally Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!